there's value just in taking the time to do leadership development. And there's a lot of factors that are influencing why we need leaders to step up, why we need folks both through the ranks and to come from other organizations to fill those holes.
I learned communication is a big thing. I need to probably do a better job of communicating with my employees and probably my management.
I think I learned a little bit about how to become a better boss, my strengths and my weaknesses.
Keep your mind open, and it's always a learning experience. Never think that you got it right.
So many hours of a training program like this, I think it's really important to try to find engagement and participation in so many ways. A few different things that I've used or found valuable in something like that is to have a variety of formats. One thing we use are these little keypad clicker devices, and that gives anonymous but instant feedback in terms of what somebody thinks. Then maybe you're going to be more likely to talk to somebody next to you about it, or even in a big group of 66 people, tell your opinion once you've thought through. We also did a card game today, an experiential situation where you're not processing it with your mind, you're just kind of experiencing it and realizing, what's my reaction here as I realize the rules are different? What's my reaction as I'm having to move to a different table where there's different rules?
That was an interesting game. You could really tell the ones that urge you to be able to just go with problems, and that's something you have to be able to do when you're in a management position.
I mean, you kind of roll with it, and I mean, you just got to learn to adapt. Things were changing constantly, and there was a lot of new stuff people didn't know, and I mean, we just had to go with the flow.
True growth happens when you're with other people, when you're actually doing something. So it's both head knowledge, it's both frames of reference, but it's applying it and using it that you really start to grow in your leadership.